Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a free VPN and use it on OmeTV. First, I am opening my browser so you can see that my country is currently set to Sri Lanka. As you can see, this is my real location. Now I am going to change it using a VPN. So, open your browser and search for Turbo VPN. Then download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app and connect to the United States server. After connecting, minimize the VPN and open your browser again. This time, open an incognito window and go to the OmeTV website. Now you can see that the country has changed to the United States. So I will log in using my Google account and now you can clearly see I am connected to the US. That's how you can change your country on OmeTV using a free VPN. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.